Tired after a long day of work but still craving something rich and satisfying? This Mughlai chicken recipe is perfect for you. This recipe delivers restaurant style taste with minimal efforts. Welcome to my channel Curry Bites, and let's get into the video. We need a tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon coriander powder and half a teaspoon of salt. Now take the clean chicken pieces in a bowl. To this, add in 2 tablespoons of yogurt and 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Now add all the spice powders which we have gathered earlier. Mix everything well and marinate for 30 minutes. While this is marinating, let's do all the remaining preps. We need 1 large onion sliced, 1 medium sized tomato, 2 green chilies, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 small piece of ginger and some coriander leaves. Now in a pan, heat up 2 tablespoons of either ghee, oil or butter. Add quarter teaspoon of cumin seeds to this and 2 whole cardamoms. Once the cumin seeds begin to crackle, add in the sliced onions. Saute the onions till it changes color and is slightly golden. Now add 2 cloves of garlic and a small piece of ginger to this. Saute for 2 minutes and add in the chopped tomatoes. To this, add in a handful of cashews. Now saute everything till the tomatoes are soft and the cashews become slightly golden. Transfer this to a blender or mixer jar and grind it to a fine paste. Now in the same pan, add in the marinated chicken pieces. Now saute this on high flame for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the chicken would start to leave out some liquid. At this stage, we can add in the blended gravy base. Mix well and cover and cook on medium-low flame for 15 to 20 minutes or until the chicken is tender and oil starts to separate from the gravy. Once it's done, garnish it with the sliced green chili, drizzle in a tablespoon of fresh cream and the chopped coriander leaves. If you have dried fenugreek leaves at home, slightly crush it in your hand and add that too. That step is optional. Now our tasty Mughlai chicken curry is ready. You can serve this with some naan, parathas or rice. Hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching.